Hey guys, it's Dr. Pearson. Today we're going to be reviewing how NUCCA Chiropractic differs from traditional chiropractic care. So if we take a look at this poster, we know that the spot in the spine that controls muscle tension for the entire body is right up here at the very top of the neck. And that's a huge area of control because that's where the brainstem ends, spinal cord begins, and as most of you know, that's where our atlas, the very first bone in our neck, is located, which is what NUCCA focuses heavily on. So as the muscles come down the spine, they crisscross, and if there's any pressure from any misalignment up here at the top of the neck, it can cause the wrong signals to get sent to those muscles and usually causes one side to tense up more than the other. So that will eventually pull that spine out of alignment. So the difference is in how we treat our patients from traditional chiropractic. So traditional chiropractors typically focus on individual segments of the spine, and they'll try to force them back into better alignment, which provides relief for a time. But the problem is that the messages that are being sent from this area of control are going to continue to tell those muscles on one side to tighten more than the other and continually pull that spine out of alignment again and again. So here we do a very gentle, precise adjustment to that upper spine, to that very first bone in the neck, and we take the pressure off of that area of control, that brainstem and spinal cord, which allows the proper messages to get sent to those nerves and then allows those nerves to tell all the muscles to relax, ultimately putting the entire body into a better balanced alignment. Thanks, guys.